This is what could go wrong. Trying to break a chair with your back. I didn't post this. Who posted this?
Oh, I don't know.
It wasn't me.
Let's see, Will. This is you.
Me?
This is when. Is this yours?
No, I didn't post it.
Shout out Superstar DC.
They kissed each other.
I mean, I guess you can play. You got this far into it. I don't know.
Let's.
You want to watch a little bit of it? I didn't put this here.
I didn't either.
So
Something tells me it's not going to be good.
There's two dudes standing in like an alleyway. One just chugged some liquor and threw a cigarette. Another guy just picked up that cigarette that he threw. What is going on? Another dude is gonna swing.
He's saying, "Not my head."
Looks like he's swinging a chair to his.
What?
Huh?
What is going on?
They're definitely very drunk.
Oh man, it's not good.
Oh, they're just
the chair.
Oh.
It's not the right chair.
The chair folded out.
What chair is the right chair? Nobody should ever be doing this.
You have to get the really thin metal chair that just bends, like that they actually use in wrestling. Yeah. Why are they all so ripped? I didn't pick this story.
No,
I didn't.
Yes, you did, man.
There's no way. I'm not on Reddit.
What happened was it must have been one of them. If you didn't pick it, then you got
Was
the
it
wrong
from
link.
the subreddit?
You got the wrong link. Definitely. It's all right. Whatever.
Oh, this is the main page.
That's why I was telling you can't. It won't work. You can't do that. What you're saying you could do. It's all right. We might. Maybe the post I really wanted is going to be elsewhere.
Well, ultimately, you sent me this link.
No, I did not send you that. I promise you.
Because I just click links and then it, brings it up on Chrome.
I did not send you that. I did not send you that. Okay, next.